TechMax, your one-stop platform. Social media marketing, it's everywhere. But many businesses struggle to get the results they expect. In today's video, I'm going to break down the most common issues with social media marketing plans and how you can overcome them. Let's dive in. Problem 1. Lack of clear goals. First up, many businesses fail because they have no clear goals. Simply saying we want more followers isn't enough. What do you want those followers to do? Increase website traffic? Drive sales? For example, instead of saying, get more followers, set a smart goal like increase Instagram followers by 20% in 3 months to boost engagement. Solution. Set goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. That's how you stay on track. Problem 2. Poor audience understanding. Next is not knowing your audience. You can't post random content and expect results. Social platforms cater to different demographics. If you're targeting Gen Z, TikTok or Instagram might be your go-to. For professionals, LinkedIn works better. Solution. Create detailed audience personas, age, interests, behaviors, and platform preferences. Tailor your message to speak directly to them. Problem 3. Inconsistent content posting. Consistency is key, but it's often overlooked. Businesses post a flurry of content one week and then go silent for a month. Audiences forget you exist if you're not consistently visible. Solution. Develop a content calendar. Schedule posts in advance with a mix of formats, videos, images, stories, and articles. And, of course, stick to the plan. Problem 4. Low engagement. Have you ever posted something and got crickets? Low engagement is a common challenge. This often happens when content isn't interactive or engaging. Solution. Encourage conversations. Use polls, questions, and calls to action, CTAs like comment your thoughts below. Also, respond to comments. This builds rapport and trust. Problem 5. Ignoring analytics. Here's another big one, ignoring analytics. If you're not tracking performance, how do you know what's working? Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok offer built-in analytics. Look at key metrics like reach, engagement, and conversions. Solution. Analyze your top-performing posts to see what resonates. Then, replicate those strategies. Problem 6. Over-reliance on organic reach. Lastly, relying only on organic reach can limit your growth. Algorithms prioritize content from friends and family, which means business posts often get buried. Organic content is important but limited. Solution. Invest in social media ads. Platforms allow precise targeting by demographics, interests, and behaviors, helping you reach a larger audience. So, to recap, the top issues with social media marketing are no clear goals, poor audience understanding, inconsistent posting, low engagement, ignoring analytics, and over-reliance on organic reach. By setting smart goals, understanding your audience, staying consistent, engaging your followers, tracking analytics, and investing in ads, you'll create a more effective social media strategy. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you next time. Join TechMax, your all-in-one digital marketing hub to skyrocket your business growth.